Do you ever get to the end of the month and wonder where all your money went? You're not alone. Most people underestimate how much they spend, and that's exactly why tracking your expenses is one of the most powerful habits for building wealth. In this video, I'll show you how to track your spending like a pro using simple tools and methods you can start today. First, let's talk about why expense tracking matters. When you write down or log every purchase, you create awareness. That awareness reveals hidden spending leaks like those $6 coffees or late-night food orders that add up faster than you think. Once you see where your money is going, you can make smarter choices. Now let's get into the methods. The simplest option is the pen and paper approach. Just grab a notebook and jot down every purchase you make. It's old school, but it works because it forces you to stay mindful. Next, spreadsheets. Programs like Excel or Google Sheets let you categorize expenses, groceries, transportation, entertainment, and automatically calculate totals. If you like control and customization, this is a great choice. But if you want convenience, apps are the way to go. Tools like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, and Pocket Guard connect directly to your bank accounts and credit cards. They track your spending in real time and even alert you when you're going over budget. This takes the guesswork out of the process. Here's a pro tip. Combine automation with a weekly check-in. Let your app track expenses automatically, but set aside 10 minutes each week to review your numbers. Ask yourself, did I spend in line with my priorities? Where can I cut back? This reflection turns tracking into actionable financial progress. Another powerful method is the cash envelope system. If you struggle with overspending in categories like dining out or shopping, withdraw cash, put it in an envelope, and only spend what's inside. It's simple, but it creates instant discipline. Finally, remember that consistency is the key. Tracking for a single week won't change much. Commit to at least 30 days and you'll notice patterns you never saw before. Over time, this habit will give you more control, less stress, and more money for the goals that truly matter to you. So whether you're writing it down, building a spreadsheet, or using an app, the most important step is to start. Don't wait until next month. Begin tracking your spending today and watch how quickly your financial clarity improves. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more money tips, and let's keep building smarter financial habits together.